Hi, hi guys. Welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So today I discuss topic about how we can make a video from images. So suppose you are making a business from image to video with the voice or music, anything possible. Suppose I have to running one business. That business I have to show my portfolio on YouTube channel. The portfolio how we can build on particular channels to making a image to video. I have to one website is called painter website, shineservice.com. In this particular website, how to making a video. First of all, if we're making a image to video, first we can keep it on the all image in one folder. So all image will be one folder. That is you can creating for welcome screen, subscriber screen, and contact screen compulsory important in the images. So image to video making time, the software we can using for convert to video.com. Convert to video.com. The lot of options are there here. Image to video, audio to video, slideshow, create short preview from videos, sequence video, 3D show, audio to video, logo to video. Nothing but in a video, how to adding a logo, text to video, add text to in your particular video, and text conversion to the video option. So here I'm selecting for slideshow. Suppose in the slideshow, they can adding for 30 images. So exact I can go to the 30 images. So count is compulsory important. So I'm selecting for more than 30 is accepted, not like that. So first we can see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, 6 is almost all heavy videos. So more than 30 videos is there. So selecting for exact videos. And one more thing is in this software, one drawback is called once your video will be selected, next time we can add the one by one is not possible. At a time we can add the all image at once. That compulsory, keep it on your mind. Okay. See this one. Once image will uploaded, nothing to will be changed. So you can change your pattern here. Where is your contact screen and where is your subscribe screen. Here, so you say about that we can add music and we can add by the voice also. Where you can add the voice. After adding image, welcome screen to contact us screen. After this one, click for next. Here, upload audio file. Audio file where you can selecting from. If you go to your settings on the YouTube audio library, we can download the free music will be here. What are the free music? You can download from here. Just play it and download the song. Just play it. And download it. Next one, we have I'm showing for two softwares, voice maker here, up to 400 character will be converted into audio file. Next will be naturalreaders.com, we can convert into online here. So where you can exactly promote the content. And first of all, convert into voice. But here voice, what is the problem is called? Exact voice properly adding purpose, little bit problem. So that is called. So here. Simple. So you have to give the spelling compulsory. Book now means where you can book the Shine service. Here, we can play this. Everything will be done. Click for. Here is the free is not available. This future will be upgrade plan. So that is called this future will be complete for upgrade plan will be here. So that is a completely will be paid option. So that is called, we can convert into 400 category will be free for the voicemaker.in. So which is a free one, we can download it. Which is a paid one, we can't use. So most of the software we can search on Google, text to speech here, which is providing for free text to speech. So that will be, here is that. So this all will be supporting will be here. Start text to speech. Here. There you can selecting here, voice. Now you can check. It's a totally 1 minute 31 seconds. So they will be only up to for 1 minute 31 seconds. Just you can download it. Download. After this one, where I can design file, audio file will be select, where you can download, select the file and add your logo option. Logo compulsory important. Logo major is important call. You are creating for the watermark option. That watermark will be given this option. Next one, text will be there. If your logo already text will be there, don't do text. Text nothing, but you can promote your video with the watermark with the text option. Text nothing but your website URL or your YouTube channel URL, anything will be possible. Here create slideshow will be start. Exact will be less than 5 minutes. The video will be created. Why I'm giving the 5 minutes is called depend on minutes. The video will be created for the particular video. So this will be conversion will be start image to video with the slideshow option. Less than 5 minutes, the video will be converted on the particular YouTube channel purpose. So guys, if you're using for voice, if you're using for music, anything will be possible. But music will be downloaded from the where YouTube audio library option. This library compulsory utilize on the music adding purpose. So this is the option. Without slideshow, go with the image to video option. So this all future will given video making on the particular YouTube channel purpose. So you can convert into PPT format and every option is there. Suppose we can, another option is that easy video maker. So in this also you can making image to video also there, but it can alignment one by one. But in this website, that alignment is given by the in the converttovideo.com. The alignment, the slideshow will be prepared and making the video, and we can download, upload on the YouTube channel with the proper title. So this is the purpose you have to making this one. And one more thing, guys, if you are making into voice to video, we can voice converter is there into Word documentation. We can use that preparation in the Word documentation, voice recorder in Word. Simple, we can use voice record Word. You can say something about the voice. They record the words into the your Microsoft, and the words will be using the particular things. Suppose I don't have a option will be there. You can record the voice and upload by the your particular documentation, and you have prepare the voice. You can own voice also record on the particular record option and upload the your video voice converter. So text to voice converter is there. We can direct to voice to text converter also there. Everything will be supporting the particular option. So that is the this option, audio to video and text to video, every option. And if any particular video, if you are missing logo, the option name is here, add text, add logo to video. Previous short videos they will support. Now they're supporting for long videos also. So use this software and make it your video very comfortable and design and upload the YouTube channel. So any further question, if you are asking about the YouTube video making, you can contact my channel option. So video was prepared. Now you can see this one. So this is the making a video for the YouTube purpose. Just click here and download the option. So these are the parameters we can follow to making a image to video making with the proper text will be here and everything will be this one. So these are the, we can add the middle also, we can add text also. Text will be changing anywhere. We can go back and make another video here. Download this video slideshow. The slideshow completely will be dependent by the, see here, they will be making as a their own slide. We don't any create any slides here. Automatically will be slide created and they will be start the promotion will be here. So this is a video automatically prepared and promote that convert into video option. Video will be make and we can use for the particular channel also. So this is the purpose we have to making a video for YouTube channel purpose with the voice and with the music also. Don't forget the software convert to video.com. So any further question can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Thank you.